The side sit-ups are the last exercise in the short box series, so we tuck one foot under the strap, the other foot can be tucked under the leg or loose. We come to a side plank position. We can go down and up. We can do any variations here, but down and up is a nice way to start. And then from down all the way up, trying to keep the hips stacked on their side so that we're not rolling onto the sit bone as we come up on the pelvis. We can do this with the arms lengthened out, just for a more advanced version, because taking the arms out makes it heavier, more difficult. And as we switch sides, one leg presses forward against that strap as the other foot is either tucked under or out hanging in the front. So again, 3 times up and out. You can do 3 sets from the center to the top, and then 3 sets from the bottom to the top. Any of these variations work. 3 sets with arms long, which is again more difficult. The hands behind the head are stacked one hand on top of the other to open the chest and add to difficulty, and that is the side sit-ups.